to go live. All right, we're live. So today we're going to talk about the Helium Earnings Report after 5 days of mining helium, presented to you by GSK Wealth Builders. It's just another part of how to get started in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin with little to no money. Helium is a wonderful business because it has a low startup cost, and in certain places it has a high reward, but you can verify where these rewards are before you start. So that's what I love about it. So what we're going to talk today about is just the earnings that I have in 3 different cities, and what you can do if you want to start mining helium, and what you should check before you start mining helium. So we'll go to that. So the price today is $8.48. It's been up since when I discovered helium. It was around $3, so it's up over 150%. Market cap of the coin, $639 million. The fully diluted market cap once the coins are released in 8 years, 1.8 billion. And the volume, 17 million. So it's down a little bit because it was averaging around $19 million. So that's the volume. So let's go take a look at some other earnings. All right, so if you look at Bedford, the earnings in Bedford, Nova Scotia, have been abysmal. However, it's still not bad. So in 5 days, day one, we had 3.37 helium. That was on the 19th. So that's equivalent to $24. So, if you want an extra $24, it's not bad. Then day 2, we had 2.06. Day 3, 0.69 coins. And day 4, 2.03. So it started to drop after day 4. And then day 5, 1.39. So we're averaging 1.39 helium a day, which is, let's say 8.5. So $11 a day in Halifax. So not that great, but that's all we got. So what I would do to improve those earnings is try to get more miners within 400 meters to 2 kilometers so that they can ping each other. Second city we got is Montreal. Montreal is doing pretty decent. So Montreal came in on the first day, 6.42 helium. On the second day, you had 11.4 helium. On the third day, 8.96 helium. And the fourth day, 3.41. There was a dip. And then on the fifth day, which is today, it's done 5.61 coins so far. So you can't complain with that. So Montreal is averaging 7 helium a day. So around, around 55 bucks. 7.17 times 8.5. So yeah, $60 US a day. So that's a decent average in Montreal. So if you live in Montreal, I would get a miner. And then the last one is Calgary. So Calgary is doing amazing, averaging 13.76 helium a day. So on day 1, came out the gate, 19.54 coins. Day 2, we had 14.37 coins. Day 3, 4.97. Then day 4, we had 17.5 coins. And then day 5, 12.38 coins. So the lowest it's mined in a day was 4.97. I believe it was offline for 6 hours that day. And the best it's mined in a day was 19.54. So the average 13.76. So 13.76 times 8.5. So average $116 a day in Calgary. So anyone that's living in Calgary, you want to get started ASAP because the machine is $450 and you're going to get your money back. If these earnings stay the same, you get your money back in 4 to 5 days. So that's an amazing thing to have. So now, if you don't know how to mine helium, or if you don't know how to find out the earnings, you go to explorer.helium.com. And explorer.helium.com is going to, it's run by the network. So this is the blockchain. So there's 23,778 hotspots today. And there's 20,000 consensus groups. So when you click on the map, you can look at the dots and see what's going on in your city. So someone asked me about Florida. I looked at Florida before. I'm going to try a different area today. So I'm going to go to the UK. And Dublin, Ireland, for example. So I'm going to zoom into Dublin, Ireland. It looks like they got quite a few people. There is a tech scene in Dublin. So the miners are evenly distributed on the outskirts. It looks like they're about 2 to 5 kilometers away. And if you click on the miner and you're going to click on view details, I'm going to just click on 3 different miners. View the details and we'll see. Irish Town. So the first miner is in Ireland. Dublin 4, County Dublin. So it's averaging 1 a day-ish, 1 to 2 a day. So 68 in 30 days. So Ireland is the same as really Halifax. So these are lone miners, 1.1 a day. The second miner in Ireland is doing 2.75 a day, 26 in 30 days. So 26 times 8. So you're looking at $221 a month in Ireland for the second miner. And then the